Did you say 진씨? Uh-oh, that's not how you talk to your idol in Korean. Woo! Hi everyone, it's Tingssam, your Korean teacher. Have you ever wondered how do Koreans call each other? Do I say 정국아, 아이유님, 지민씨? And more importantly, how should I call my favorite idol? Should I say Oppa, 언니, or just their name? In Korean, choosing the right way to address someone isn't just about language, it's about age, respect, and relationship. Today, I will teach you all the different ways Koreans call each other from close friends to celebrities, and how you can sound natural too. Let's get started. Let's start with the most casual ones, 아 and 야. These are used when talking to close friends, younger people, or someone the same age in casual setting. If the name ends in a consonant, use 아. 정국아, 정국아. If the name ends in a vowel, use 야. 지수야, 지수야. Never use this for someone older or in a formal situation. That would be considered disrespectful. Next is 씨, a polite and neutral suffix. You can use it when you meet someone for the first time or when you are not close yet. 지민씨, 지민씨. But here's common mistake I've seen. Some of my students call me Tingssam 씨, but that's actually not natural. Why? Because Sam or 선생님 is already a respectful title. Adding 씨 after that makes it sound awkward, like saying Mr. Teacher. So just call me Tingssam or Tingssam Nim if you want to be extra polite. Nim. Nim is a very formal and respectful suffix. It's usually attached to titles, not names. 고객님, 고객님. 선생님, 선생님, 사장님, 사장님, 대표님, 대표님. So how about names? Can you say 지수님? Not in conversation. That sounds too stiff or robotic, but you will sometimes see it in writing like emails or messages to customers. 김민수님. It's polite and professional in writing, but we rarely say this out loud in daily life. In Korea, people often call each other by job title instead of name, especially in formal settings. 선생님, 선생님, 사장님, 사장님, 팀장님, 팀장님, 기사님, 기사님. So even if you know their name, you might call someone 사장님 or 선생님 out of respect. Now let's talk about how fans call idols on SNS or at fan meetings. You will often hear 지민 오빠, 아이유 언니. This works if the fan is younger and wants to sound close. But if you want to sound more respectful, especially when commenting online, try 지민씨, 아이유님. This is polite and used in formal fan messages or blog posts. You don't need to use their full name, just their stage name, and plus 씨 or 님 works fine. What about English names? Can I say Emily 씨 or John 님? Technically, yes. Koreans sometimes do this, but it can sound a bit awkward or too formal, especially if the other person is not Korean. If you are speaking Korean and want to be polite, you can use Emily 씨 in a Korean sentence. But in general, if you are speaking English, just say Emily. Korean is not just about vocabulary. It reflects relationships, age, and formality. What you call someone shows how much you respect them and how close you are. It may feel complicated at first, but understanding these small details makes your Korean much more natural. And it shows cultural awareness too. Have you ever called someone the wrong way in Korean? Let me know in the comments. And if you join my YouTube membership, you can download today's lesson summary as a PDF and practice real examples with me. See you in the next video. 안녕!